Today, we're going to show you how AI influencers are making people rich, and we'll teach you how you can create your own model and monetize them. Meet the gorgeous Aitana Lopez, a strikingly ravishing, pink-haired 25-year-old Spanish model from Barcelona. According to Forbes magazine, she makes $11,000 a month. I'm sure she's making a ton more now, since her IG followers have almost tripled since this article was published. It wouldn't be surprising if she's raking in $20,000 to $30,000 a month now. The thing is, she's not a real woman. I know. In fact, she's not even a real human being at all. She does not physically exist. She's an AI model, and her owners created her after struggling with entitled human models who kept canceling on them and making unrealistic demands. Aitana is not the only AI model making her owners rich behind the scenes. There are many others that are doing even way better than her. To mention just a few, Ludo Magalu is an AI influencer with more than 7 million followers on Instagram. And she makes over $16 million a year. 16 million. Oh my goodness. Another one is Lil Michaela. She has 2.6 million followers and makes over $10 million a year. Ima is another one who, with less than 400,000 followers on Instagram, makes $640,000 a year. I could go on and on. As a matter of fact, Aitana is not even in the top 10 AI earners. I found this article that shows the top 10 virtual influencers and how much they make per post on Instagram. Ludo Magalu makes $33,000 for a single Instagram post. Not a YouTube video, no. She makes $33,000 for an IG post. We just used Aitana for our title and thumbnail because we like to over-deliver in our videos. We always try to give a ton more value than you bargain for. We also are not going to be setting you any course at the end. We're giving you full value here and now. All we ask you to do is to please hit that like button. And if you're not already a part of this incredible community, please subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you are not the last to learn of all the new ways of becoming wealthy when we share them in the next video in a few days. You see, these AI influencers are actually easier to create than you think. You don't need to be a programmer or have extensive technical skills. Every day, new AI platforms are being launched and the results are becoming insanely more and more realistic. Now, before we show you how to make your own influencer, you need to know how they make their money. This is going to help you be more intentional with the features of your model. The first way is through sponsored content and brand partnerships. So just like human influencers, virtual influencers collaborate with brands to create sponsored content. They can showcase products or services in their posts and stories and videos and get paid for it. They can also have long-term partnerships with brands. For example, Lil Michaela has partnered with brands like Prada and Calvin Klein, even Samsung, and she features their products in her Instagram posts. The second way that AI influencers are making money is affiliate marketing. Virtual influencers can share affiliate links to products and services, and when their followers make purchases through these links, the influencer earns a commission for it. The third way is merchandising and product lines. Virtual influencers can launch their own merch, such as clothes and accessories or digital products like NFTs. They can also collaborate with fashion brands and designers to create exclusive collections that reflect their unique style and generate revenue through these sales. The fourth way is licensing and appearances. Brand and media companies may license virtual influencers' likeness for use in their ads, video games, or other digital media, even in movies. The fifth way is content creation and monetization. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok offer monetization options where influencers can earn money from ads displayed on their content. You can create a YouTube channel around your virtual influencer and monetize it. Yes, you can monetize an AI channel. You just have to stick to YouTube's terms and conditions. And we're going to share more on this later. This channel is purely AI and it's monetized. So is this one and this one. They can also create exclusive content and offer subscriptions through subscription models like Patreon, and fans can pay for exclusive access. The sixth way that these virtual influencers are making money is through NFTs and digital goods. These virtual influencers can create unique digital assets and collectibles. They can also create virtual goods related to their persona, such as digital clothing, accessories, and digital art pieces. Some virtual influencers release limited edition NFTs that fans can buy. The seventh way is through partnerships with influencer marketing agencies. This means working with specialized influencer marketing agencies that can connect them with brands looking for innovative marketing solutions. The agencies can handle all the logistics. This allows you to focus on content creation and audience engagement with your virtual influencers. Now, the eighth way, you have to listen to this because this is such a unique and such a new business model. This is customization and B2B services. This is when you can create a bespoke virtual influencer for a specific brand or campaign, offering tailored digital personalities that align with the brand's identities. This means that you can approach companies to create virtual personalities tailored for their brands or for a specific campaign. You can also make money consulting with companies on how they can integrate virtual influencers into marketing strategies. You can also make money supplying virtual actors for major film studios like Disney. If your AI model already has a good social media following, you can use this as a selling point for the studio to hire your actor. The fact that they come with their own fan base gives them a huge advantage over the studios trying to create characters from scratch or paying for dated comic book characters. So, what are the advantages of AI influencers when it comes to monetization? One is scalability. AI influencers can manage multiple collaborations simultaneously without the limitations that human influencers face, such as time constraints or personal schedules. Like the example I gave you of outsourcing AI actors to major studios. Disney, Sony, and Universal, for example, can be doing projects with one of your AI characters simultaneously without scheduling complications. The second advantage that AI influencers have is consistency and control. Brands have greater control over the messaging and image of virtual influencers, ensuring alignment with brand values and reducing risks associated with human behavior. Every other day lately, it seems there's another celebrity being dropped by their brand because of behaviors inconsistent with their values. These incidents are costly to the brands as they have to scramble to find someone to replace the celebrity while simultaneously trying to do damage control. Virtual influencers drastically limit that risk. Also, when the metaverse becomes more mainstream, digital characters that already are popular on social media will have a huge advantage. Now, as I mentioned before, yes, AI-generated content can be monetized on YouTube as long as you don't violate the terms. We're going to explain this later and how you can safely start an AI YouTube channel and monetize it. However, though, based on the information we just gave you, YouTube monetization does not need to be your main priority. There are clearly multiple ways of monetizing your influencers. We're going to show you step by step how to create your models and have them looking hyper-realistic. We'll show you how to use tools like Focus and others to have models do multiple different poses in different settings. We'll show you tools that can help you add merch to your models so you can sell it. We'll also show you how you can create videos with your influencers. However, given how long this video already has been, we're going to have to do all of that in the next video, the part B of this. Thank you so much for watching. So please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Now go make that paper.